It's just too early to buy stocks again. At least that is what our analysis continues to point to. And we've been talking about this here publicly in these videos for the better part of the past, 6 months or so, that we really think that we're in for a bigger sort of economic malaise ultimately, and a very different market environment that we've seen for the past, decade, 12, 13 years or so. And so we just think it's too early to buy stocks again because we're not really seeing any true bottoming phases taking place, whether that is on just the broader indices, definitely not from an economic activity perspective, but also individual equities, even the ones that have really gotten beaten up, are just not there yet. So let me just show you a couple of things that we are looking at. First of all, and I've been highlighting this both to our clients directly and also here publicly, the VIX. We just need to see the VIX peak or pierce into the 40 level, and it can go much higher than that, of course. But that we need to see. We're just not seeing any real fear. We're seeing a lot of traders that have capitulated. We're not yet seeing a lot of people that have sold some of the core, positions that they've had for, 10, 15 years. So we're not yet seeing that part, and I think that will only take place once we see real fear spike. If we go into some individual equities, and some of these guys have been really beaten up. Just to give you an idea what some of these things look like, you can see what our market rover is telling us. That's told us that, for example, Pinterest became a short around $60 or so in August of last year. It's now trading sub $20, but it's still not showing us any signs of a bottoming phase. It is just a bearish trend, and it continues to be. So my hope and my real goal is that for people who are watching this or are listening to our research, that they don't lose a lot of money this year. That is really my goal. Unfortunately, I know a lot of people are going to get hurt out there who don't have a process, who continue to want to buy these dips when we're really just in a bear market. So we're not seeing that yet. Pinterest is just one little example. Arcimoto, I'm just going to randomly pick here. Let's see what this one looks like here too, right? A stock that basically went bearish trend on our market ruler at 16 bucks. It's now trading below $4. Again, really no signs of this bear market letting up. So stay careful out there.